Huff and even more puff. We got the wheel feature. $2 bet, 1 cent denomination. Hey, let's go for that upgrade. Come on. Oh my gosh, I think I got the upgrade. Upgrade. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Let's get that super jackpot for 16,000. Or bust out? Yeah, we're getting that super bust out. Here we go. Oh, super exciting. Oh, we need to retrigger a lot. All right. Trigger, please. Yes, keep retriggering. Let's go. Oh my goodness, come on. Thank you. Oh no. Come on, more hats. Our first brick house. Let's get some more of those, please. And trigger, please. Yes. Ooh, got some brick houses. Couple more. One more. Yes, yes. One more spins. We got some more brick houses. Yes. Let's do it. Oh no. Come on. Oh no. Come on. Hats. One more spin. Come on, last spin. Yes. Got 2 more brick houses. Last spin coming in right here. Let's retrigger again. Retrigger. Yes. 2 more. Oh. Okay. Come on. Be nice, Mr. Wolfie. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brick houses. $0.01 denomination. We're winning about $44 so far. Okay. Okay, $78 win so far. Come on, big numbers, big numbers. Minor? All right, take it. Minis, $10 times 2, 20. $165 win on a $2 bet. That was Huff and even more puff. Super buzz off feature.